What's wrong, Classy?
Mitt Romney is an
What? Wait, is Mitt Romney an alien? 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 Welcome to Is Mitt Romney an Alien? I will read a quote and you tell me who said it, Mitt Romney or an alien. First question, who said this about the state of Michigan? Quote, I love this state. It seems right here. The trees are the right height. Who said it, Mitt Romney or an alien?
That's silly! An alien said that!
I'm sorry, that was Mitt Romney. Let's watch.
I love this state. It seems right here. The trees are the right height.
Moving on. Second question. Who said this about the cookies from Bethel Bakery in Pennsylvania? Quote, I'm not sure about these cookies. They don't look like you made them. No, they came from the 7-Eleven bakery or whatever. Puppet team, who said it? Mitt Romney or an alien?
Everyone loves cookies except aliens. So an alien must have said that. An alien!
Oh, I'm sorry. That was also Mitt Romney. Let's watch.
I'm not sure about these cookies. They don't look like you made them. Did you make those cookies? You didn't, did you? No. They came from the local 7-Eleven bakery or wherever.
Third question. Who said this at the Iowa State Fair? Quote, corporations are people, my friend. Who said it? Mitt Romney or an alien?
Corporations are not people. People are people. People pick you up and people hug you and people give you yummy carrots. Everybody knows corporations are not people. An alien said that.
Oh, I'm sorry. That was also Mitt Romney. Let's watch.
Corporations are people, my friend.
Who said this? E.T. phone home. Was it Mitt Romney or an alien?
Oh man, dude. Please don't tell me Romney said that. It wasn't Romney, was it? Was it Romney?
Oh, I'm sorry. That really was an alien. Final question. Who said this? Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do.
Wait, I know that. I know who said it. It's Mitt Romney! Mitt Romney's an alien!